see everybody's having fun, everybody's enjoying it. Thank you to Sandy for the opportunity. I really love it, I really appreciate it, and I'm proud to be Haitian and promoting my culture, promoting my music, my dance, and I'm happy to see my people. Now all of them are Haitian, some of them are American, some of them are from other countries, but they love compa, they love music, and they love the music. So thank you for watching, thank you for everything. We love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.